आप बोल रहे हैं लाइट नहीं जाती। किशोर तिवारी जी बोलेंगे कि मैं जब बॉम्बे में था तो लाइट जाती थी इसीलिए मैं सिडनी चला गया हूं। वो बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं। पर तहसीन, फॉर राजीव शुक्ला टू से, आई एम जस्ट बिल्डिंग ऑन व्हाट हर्षवर्धन जी इज सेइंग. For him to say that credit Rajiv Gandhi, by that logic, then, computers were invented by, it's taught in schools, Charles Babbage or something. उनको ही क्रेडिट कर देना चाहिए कि कंप्यूटर ही नहीं होता तो राजीव गांधी लाते कैसे, and etc etc.
Again, I think when you mean what Rajiv Shukla ji means to say, and let me put this out, government as a continuous process. So whatever governments come and go, India must go on, and therefore Anish and I are today celebrating what happened at the AI summit. We are not anti-India. But Rajiv Gandhi laid a policy foundation for the IT revolution against which Atal ji came on a bullock cart. Now, I am asking you, Pranesh, please tell me, Harshvardhan ji मुझे बता दीजिए, AI में, FinTech में हमारा पॉलिसी क्या है? पॉलिसी बताए, चलिए हर्षवर्धन जी मुझे बताइए, बिटकॉइन, क्रिप्टो लीगल है या इलीगल है? निर्मला जी बोलती है टैक्स दो, लीगल इलीगल की आप क्लैरिटी नहीं करते। सारे फिनटेक्स आपके दुबई जाते हैं, दुबई से आपके फाउंडर्स आते कहते हैं विकसित भारत होना चाहिए, विकसित भारत, मैं इसके पक्ष में हूं। सारे सेटअप वहां करते हैं। आपके रेगुलेशंस देखिए, आपकी फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री, आपकी आईटी मिनिस्ट्री के सिंक में नहीं, और आपके हम क्रिटिसाइज करते। मैं आपसे पूछता हूं प्रणेश जी, व्हेन वी आस्क what happened on the trade deal with regards to oil, we have made a fool out of. Piyush Goyal ji tells us talk to
No, that is not the question that the opposition asked. The opposition says Narendra surrendered, India has agreed to stop buying Russian oil. What you are saying today on the show, or what Anish is saying, and by that I mean specific questions, this is not the commentary otherwise. It is either the economy is dead, Narendra has surrendered, Operation Sindoor failed. Shehzad.
Now, Pranesh, I will not let Tehseen divert. Tehseen said that yes, the credit should go to Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Shukla is right, correct? Who got EVM into this country? Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi introduced EVM. Who has taken maximum petitions against EVM? This man and Congress party. Ye Tehseen Poonawalla, he comes as good Tehseen Poonawalla on your show. And then when he goes out of the show, he becomes bad Tehseen Poonawalla. So don't let him escape. You ask him how many petitions he's filed against EVM. So why he went against Rajiv Gandhi? But one thing I want to tell you, just 10 seconds more. One thing I want to give Rajiv Gandhi full credit for. And Rajiv Gandhi takes the full credit. वो लाए राहुल गांधी को धरती पे और वो बेनिफिट हमको दे रहा है, उसके लिए full credit to Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay, let's not get personal, but Tehseen, he is right about the EVM, but that is just one of the things.
No, once again.
Compulsive criticism is the larger question.
No, once again, with regards to EVM, let me tell you, we've gone with a policy to EVM. What is happening with the changes in EVM? When new laws are coming, when the Chief Election Commissioner lies on a press conference saying that the Kamal Nath judgment doesn't allow him to give machine-readable lists, which is not.
Now, 1 minute. If that is the case, Tehseen, 1 minute. If that is the case, then you change the policy in Karnataka. Why are you going back to ballot papers? You can change the policy if policy is a problem. Your opposition is now to the EVM. So how are you saying this is about policy?
No, again, the state government on election commissions have limited scope to change. But yes, they must bring in some sort of consultation. And
where is the consultation? There is a certificate that the Congress, dishes out. Yeah, Shehzad is saying something.
First of all, again, I am not going to let Tehseen escape. When you asked him question about EVM, he's talking about electoral roll list, which is anyways given in PDF version. By the way, Tehseen Poonawalla should tell us what was the result of the Karnataka survey on election processes and election EVMs. Just now the survey by the Karnataka government has shown that people's faith in EVM and election commission is up. It's by your government. Tehseen Poonawalla, tell us, you meaning Congress opposed vaccine. Congress opposed Atmanirbhar Bharat growth. Congress opposed our fact that we are now exporting toys and defense goods. Congress opposed Operation Sindoor. Congress opposes everything where Bharat looks strong because they oppose Bharat. Their problem is not Modi. Their problem is Bharat.